Welcome back to Auto Street. Today we're diving deep into one of the most exciting supercars to hit the scene in 2025, the Lamborghini Temerario, the official successor to the Huracan. Picture a stunning fusion of futuristic design, raw power and hybrid innovation, wrapped in a carbon-infused, sleek Italian silhouette. Imagine approaching the car. Its stance is wider, longer and slightly taller than the Huracan, dimensionally redefined at approximately 4,706 mm in length, 1,996 mm wide, and a height around 1,201 mm, with a wheelbase that's roughly 1.4 inches longer. This all-aluminum chassis delivers about 20% greater torsional rigidity, while using 50% less materials and fewer welded joints compared to the outgoing model. Take in the exterior lines. The front features slim, aggressive headlights flanked by signature hexagonal daytime running lights, forming a sharp geometric motif. Air intakes just ahead of the rear wheels recall the classic Gallardo but reinterpreted. Everywhere you look you'll spot hexagon-shaped elements, rear clusters, exhaust tips, charging port covers, a design language applied with consistency and purpose. Aerodynamics have been thoroughly reworked. Lamborghini claims a 118% improvement in aero efficiency over the Huracan Evo, with offered Allegorita lightweight package boosting downforce by up to 158% while dropping roughly 25 kilograms. Slip inside and it's a cockpit inspired by fighter jets. The interior borrows heavily from the Revuelto, with 3 digital displays, a 12.3-inch curved instrument cluster for the driver, a vertical 8.4-inch touchscreen in the center stack, and a 9.1-inch passenger display. Content can be swiped between screens via the advanced human-machine interface, complete with 3D graphics and animations. Despite being a supercar, it offers more space, roughly 1.3 inches more headroom and 1.8 inches more legroom compared to its predecessor. Lamborghini claims even a 6'6" NBA player can fit comfortably inside wearing a helmet. Comfort doesn't take a back seat, seats adjust in 18 ways, with heating and ventilation, and are available in leather, Alcantara or plant-based leather derived from oranges and cacti, or you can opt for the Allegorita carbon bucket seats for track focus. A Sonos Faber audio system delivers bespoke sound with elegant materials. Connectivity and tech are top-notch, over-the-air navigation, real-time traffic, voice assistant, wireless CarPlay/Android Auto, telemetry recording, dashcam, augmented reality navigation, and the Vision Unit package that captures 4K video from multiple angles with telemetry overlays. Lifting the hatch reveals the heart of this beast, a bespoke 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 engine with a flat-plane crankshaft, titanium rods and dual turbos in a hot V configuration. It revs to 10,000 RPM, delivering 789 horsepower between 9,000 to 9,750 RPM and 538 lb-ft of torque from 4,000 to 7,000 RPM. Combine that with 3 oil-cooled axial flux electric motors, one nestled between engine and 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox producing about 150 horsepower and 2 front motors each delivering around 82 horsepower, for a total system output of roughly 907 horsepower and 590 lb-ft of torque. All-wheel drive comes standard but drift mode can send torque solely to the rear wheels in 3 adjustable oversteer levels. Driving dynamics are enhanced by torque fill from the rear e-motor to eliminate turbo lag, plus torque vectoring via the front axle motors. Lamborghini claims 062 mph, 0100 km/h, in just 2.7 seconds and a top speed of around 211 miles per hour, 340 kilometers per hour. The under-tunnel battery is a 3.8 kilowatt-hour pack that can recharge at up to 7 kilowatts AC in 30 minutes or from regenerative braking in the combustion engine in under 6 minutes. Pure electric driving mode gives around 5 miles of zero-emission range, limited but useful for city driving. Temerario features 13 drive modes, combinations of Sitta, Strada, Sport, Corsa, and Drift paired with energy modes like Recharge, Hybrid or Performance, letting drivers tailor the experience from quiet urban cruising to full-blown track fury. A racing-style steering wheel and intuitive controls reinforce the pilot-like feel. All of this power and tech means price will reflect its exclusivity. While Lamborghini hasn't published official pricing yet, estimates suggest a starting cost around £260,000 in the UK, about $350,000 with possible range toward $400,000 or $500,000 depending on options in market. That's in line with the outgoing Huracan Evo and positioned just below the flagship Revuelto's pricing while offering similar hybrid V12 performance in a more compact package. So if you're craving a supercar with peak revving drama, modern hybrid efficiency and more interior usability than past Lambos, the Temerario is a serious contender. It blends electric technology with traditional combustion excitement, wraps it in bold new styling, and still delivers that unmistakable Lamborghini roar, albeit at 10,000 RPM instead of V10 growl. Thanks for watching AutoStreet. If you enjoyed this walkthrough of the 2025 Lamborghini Temerario, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our next video. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new design and whether you'd take drift mode out for a spin. Until next time, keep your engines roaring.